Jessica Alba looked relaxed while enjoying their sights in Italy on Saturday along with her hunky husband Cash Warren and their 3 adorable kids. Jessica Alba, 41, spent some quality time with her family over the weekend and looked incredible. The actress wore a black bikini while she was photographed aboard a yacht in Italy with her husband Cash Warren, 43, and their 3 kids, Honor, 14, Haven, 10, and Hayes, 4. She sat back and relaxed with her hair pulled back and wore sunglasses to keep the bright sun out of her eyes. Her kids also wore their swimsuits as they enjoyed the scenery, and Cash appeared to be laying on his side during the fun, while wearing only shorts and a baseball cap. At one point, the family were seen having conversations and sharing smiles as they felt their breeze of the water and took in the memorable trip. Overall, it seemed like the perfect summer getaway! Before Jessica spent time with her family in Italy, she celebrated her daughter Haven's elementary school graduation. The loving mom took to Instagram to share the happy news and wrote a sweet message to her second-born alongside photos of her posing at the school. "I'm so proud of you, my sweet Haven. I can't believe you are heading to middle school. Literally, how did this happen?" the excited mom started the message. "Over the last 6 years, you have grown into such a kind, considerate leader that always checks in on those around you," she continued. "You are a natural shoulder for people to lean on and give great advice, wise way beyond your years. You are naturally intuitive and intelligent, but I love how much pride you put into your work. I'm excited for your next chapter, middle school. Here you come, it's going to be awesome. Nothing is out of your reach, as long as you always stay connected to your E+F, but most importantly, have fun." Just a few days prior to Haven's graduation, Jessica celebrated her oldest daughter Honor's 14th birthday. She also shared a special post on Instagram to celebrate. "It feels like yesterday you were just a little baby. We spent hours staring into each other's souls, breaking me open, brightening my entire world and showing me the deepest, most profound love," she captioned an incredible video montage of Honor. "I am so proud of who you are. So kind, intelligent, wise beyond your years, confident, silly, independent, creative, and artistic. You are all of the things, and so much more, my angel." Close quote.